everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video I'll be showing you guys 4 really cute, trendy, and easy to make Dollar Tree DIYs for fall/Thanksgiving. So I also, before we start, want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. My first YouTube video actually just passed 1,000 views the past few days ago, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. So if you aren't yet, please consider subscribing, it helps out a lot. And if you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment down below what your favorite DIY was. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this first DIY, I'll be showing you guys how I made these cute, trendy fall bricks that are very customizable. So first, I'll be making these paints that I will be using for other DIYs. One of them is an orange, and the other is more of a burgundy color. So I used paints I got at Michael's, but Dollar Tree also has their own paints. Next, I will be taking 2 packs of these small foam dice and painting 4 of them burgundy and 4 of them orange. And just to save some paint, with most of them I only painted 4 sides, while the ends I painted 5. So after they dry, I use some hot glue to stick the 8 bricks together. You can always choose to do this in groups of 4 or to fit whatever word you're spelling. And you can also use any adhesive you want, whether that be mounting tape, Mod Podge, or E6000. And so after that, I went to my Cricut, and on Cricut Design Space, I made this cute wording for autumn along with 2 leaves. This is the font and layout I used. And then using some Dollar Tree gold vinyl, it only took a minute to cut this out. And you can always choose to either Mod Podge on and use glitter for your words, or even if you have your own stickers, that works too. Now the Dollar Tree vinyl was pretty easy to work with, although it sadly did not work with the tape, so I had to hand stick it on. Now if you want this to have a stronger bond, you can always choose to add a layer of matte Mod Podge on top, just so then it lasts a little longer. And there you have it. That is how you make these cute autumn bricks. And you can totally switch it out to say thankful or fall or anything of your choice, because these are super customizable. Now for this next DIY, it's more of just a little life hack on 3 ways you can use this candle holder, this odd fishbowl vase, and a candle to just make some cute fall decor. So of course, like I said, you are going to need the vase, candle holder, and candles of your choice. I use these pumpkin ones from Dollar Tree. So the first way is just simply putting the candle on top. Now you can always choose to add the fishbowl on top and then remove it after. And then you could just light that bad boy up and it works great. And then when you're done and you blow it out, you can just put the fishbowl back on top. Another way is to flip it over and put the candle inside of it. Now these are really easy and simple to do. If you want to glue it down, you can, and it is all up to you. Now for this third DIY, I'll be showing you guys how I made this cute pumpkin vase topiary. Not entirely sure what I would call it, but it still works great for fall and Thanksgiving. So first I took these 2 Dollar Tree foam pumpkins. They were broken, so I got them for 50 cents instead of $1, and I just took my X-Acto knife and cut 2 holes in the top and bottom of one, and then 1 smaller hole on the top of the second one. Then taking my orange that I made for my first DIY, I just went ahead and painted the 2 pumpkins. Now it did take about 3 to 4 layers to cover it all to make sure none of the other orange was seeping through, but if you use like Waverly chalk paint, it would probably take less coats. After they dried, I just took some hot glue and glued the one with 2 holes on top of the one with 1 hole. Then after, I used 3 different types of the fall florals Dollar Tree has to offer, and I just arranged them in this little vase, just to my liking. So this is where you have all your little freedom, and you could pick however you want to style it, whatever is going to look nice with your decor, and whatever your aesthetic is. Now I had a few extra sunflowers, so I decided to put 2 in the middle between the 2 pumpkins, just to add a little bit of variety in there. And it's as easy as that. Once again, super customizable. You can paint the pumpkins whatever colors you want, use whatever florals you want, and it would just look so great with any fall decor. Now for this final DIY, which has to be my favorite, I'll be showing you guys how I made this cute buffalo check pumpkin. So first, I just took one of Dollar Tree's wooden white pumpkins and I painted the whole thing in 2 to 3 layers of white paint. And again, chalk paint, you would require less layers. Next, I took some painter's tape and put one line down the middle and then used the same width just to add stripes. Then I went ahead and painted between those stripes and I just painted it orange. You can paint it whatever color you want your buffalo check pattern to be. Then after it's dry, you can satisfyingly remove the tape and then add some more again and do the same process but horizontally. And then you're once again going to paint that in a few coats of orange, or whatever color you're using. Then you're going to leave those horizontal stripes on, and then add vertical ones on the lighter stripes. So where you had the tape the first time. And then you are going to paint those squares black. Then after it dries, you can peel all of the tape off and touch it up if needed. If any paint leaked, you can fix all that. And it just looks super cute. Then I outlined the stem and I used some Mod Podge and glitter just to make this really cute golden stem. And then just to be a little extra, I added Mod Podge to the edges as well and added more gold glitter. Now, it is also totally optional to put Mod Podge over all of this, just for that extra security, but I didn't feel the need to do that. Then, I just hot glued one of these galvanized metal signs. This one says thankful. It comes in a pack of 3, and you can totally pick whichever one you want to use. And there you go. It looks super cute, and honestly this has to be my favorite DIY in the whole video. It was really fun to make, and getting to make that buffalo check pattern, it looks so cute and it's so easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure had fun making them. If you do make any of these, make sure to let me know down in the comments. And also make sure to check out my social media down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you aren't already. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to have fun crafting.